This is a super easy way to tie your school tie in the morning when you're going to be late. First, you get a tie. Then, you put the tie around your neck, under the collar of your shirt. You need to make the thinner end of the tie shorter and the fatter end of the tie longer. When you have done this, wrap the fatter bit around the shorter bit. Then, you take the fatter bit and post it through the gap at the top, near your neck. Push the tip of the tie through the loop you just made and then pull the fatter end down. This makes the knot. If it feels a bit loose, just pull the shorter bit down and slide the top bit up with your hand so you can still breathe. Done! Now go to school.
Tie a tie the easy way. Pop the tie around your neck, making sure the wide end is twice as long as the narrow end. Then take the wide end across the road, take it around the roundabout and up through the tunnel. Finally take it down and under the bridge before holding onto the thinner end of the tie, while you pull the knot nice and tightly, wiggling it into place. And there you have it, you're ready for school.
Hi, I'm Charlie and I'm going to teach you how to tie a tie. So you want your smaller part to go over the third button, then you cross it over, then you cross it, take this big part and cross it over either your thumb or two fingers, and then you pull this up that you made. You want to pull this through, and then you pull the bottom, and then big, and then the bottom. And then you want to straighten it, and then you do your buttons. And then you get your blazer, and then you go about your day.